Welcome to Jerash. This is the best preserved Roman city outside of Italy. Let's go check it out. Heard of Hadrian's Wall in England? This is Hadrian's Gate. Look how massive it is. So
see how wide it is? No cement, no mortar, nothing, just stacked on. The last one, 1927. 1927.
this area is called the Hippodrome, and it is huge.
200 meters by 65 meters.
She's got it. She's got the stats. Journey continues.
I'm going to show you what the business spot for taking different size. The colonnaded back here. Okay, let's go. Now it's like nice view from here. Can you hear me in the back? Nice view if you'll take picture from here. That's all the original. The Romans, they were working hard for 700 years building things. Imagine the manpower. I mean, like I said, at least there are 1,000 pounds. Can I have your attention over here, please? Right here. If you move 2 feet, it will be different.
3,000 seats in this theater. It's pretty cool. Look at that. All in such great condition. I realize we're in the desert, but man, the dust is just getting to me hard. Whew.
See it later? The road, it's original. But all the columns were put back together. So the road is still built underneath. You have insurance?
Oh, you can feel the column moving.
Can you?
Look at that.
Don't worry, do it with your finger.
Crazy.
You're not gonna lose anything, huh?
Crazy, crazy.
Feel it? You feel it?
Can you?
Don't worry, do it with your finger. You're not gonna lose anything, huh? Over here you can see the heart. That's the end of the city now. 3 theaters in the city. So the south. I don't know what to show in the house.
I agree.
The neck here, can you see? 4 legs. Belly. الناس بتمر من عندك يا محمود، الناس بتمر من عندك. Can you see the camel? And the bottle doesn't shake. Thank you. And it's not to break because made in Jordan, not in China. And this one, lapis lazuli. Lapis, sand. And this one, aventurine. Can you see the aventurine, the Jordan stone? Aventurine.
Century AD. Consists of 2 levels covered with blue marble, and up there it was like a half dome. You can see the marble down there, it's not the original of the Roman time.
Well, that was our time at Jerash. And if you ever come here, give yourself lots of time because it's a big area and there's lots to see.
And it only uncovered 20% of it.
Crazy. The journey continues.